Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. It's your girl Umureni KJ. On my channel, we'll talk about marketing motivations and a little bit of lifestyle. Now, if this is the first video you're watching on my channel, you're welcome. Please click the subscribe button and kindly give this video a thumbs up. Now, to my OGs in the house, I want to say thank you for coming once again to my channel. You're welcome. Have a seat. In today's video, we're going to be discussing about videos that give aesthetic looks, videos that look so classy without you even having, a classy studio to shoot in, right? So I know majority of you, and that's some of the questions I've been getting on my channel. How should I create a nice background? How do I create a classy background? How do I create an aesthetic, looking background for my videos in order for my videos to look clean and to look beautiful? In today's video, that's what we're going to be discussing. I'm going to be training you on how you can do this with artificial intelligence. So no more excuse of you saying you don't have a nice background to shoot in. Okay. Now, if you want to know more, you need to get yourself ready with 3 tools. Okay. 3 AI tools that we're going to be using in today's tutorial. Like I've always said, there is no tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys without making use of your Canva. So I believe each and every one of you have your Canva applications on your phone. So we're going to be making use of Canva, which is a graphic editing app. And we're also going to be making use of Capcut, which is going to be our video editing app, where we're going to be using all of our backgrounds, the new backgrounds, the fake backgrounds we are creating. That's why we're going to be editing it with our video. And finally, the main star of the show, we are going to be using one new tool called Leonardo.ai. Now, this particular tool is used for generating stock images, where we use pictures that we feel is befitting for our videos, where we download them and then we fix it as the background of our video. So let's go into the tutorial proper. In this first step, 2 things to make sure is that you're shooting into a clean and clear background, and also that there is a space between you and your background. Now here we search for Leonardo.ai, Leonardo.ai. Just search it on your search bar, as that's the first app we're going to be using. And just like you're seeing here, you can register if you have not created an account. Try to create an account and pick your username. I'm very sure this step is very easy for each and every one of us. You just need to read the instructions and then create your own account. All right, so when you're done creating your account, then you log in into the website of Leonardo.ai, and then you can see we can search a prompt. We can create a prompt, which is we're going to search for a picture based on what we need. And if you look at the left part of your screen here, you will see something like 150. That is the tokens given to you per day from Leonardo.ai that you can use to search. So for you to search for one particular picture, you are using 8 tokens out of 150. As you can see, I have downloaded my picture, and the next step is coming to Canva, where I'm going to be resizing that picture into a YouTube format. We do not want a picture that is a small size. We want the one that fits as a YouTube thumbnail that can serve as the background for our YouTube videos. So here you can see I'm resizing this picture. It's very easy. Just go to Canva and click on YouTube thumbnails, then insert your picture there, and then resize your picture, and then you save your picture. As you can see here, I'm going to be saving 2 or 3 different photos here, so that if one doesn't fit into the kind of video I want, I can as well use the other one. Another thing to note is that you can also crop your pictures, the pictures you have downloaded on Canva, in order to pick the side that you want. Okay, so if what you want is the upper part of the picture, you can resize it, or the downer part. Now we are done with Canva. Okay, the last step, which is the very, very juicy step, is Capcut. Okay, now we're going into Capcut, and one of the first things we're going to be doing is to upload the resized photos. While uploading it as the main content, now we are going to be adding overlay. Your original video that you have recorded will now be the overlay to the picture you have uploaded. Okay, as you can see in this video, I have uploaded my video to the background. And the next thing you're going to do is to scroll through these icons down here on Capcut, and then you're going to see something like remove background. Okay, remove background. Once you click on remove background, there are different options. There is the automatic removal and also there's the custom removal. I click on the automatic removal because it makes my job so easy, right? So then once we click on it, our background is automatically removed, as you guys can see on the screen. Yeah, now after you're done removing the background, you need to shape and size your video properly on the background photos so that it does not look as if it's been placed. As you can see, this is what I am busy doing here, because this particular video I am using here, I was standing shooting it, and I'm using a chair background photo rather, so it doesn't fit at all. So I'm trying to see how else can I align this. I'm going to also change my background photo again here to see if something else can be done. Now that I saw that it's not being done, I decided to change the video into the one that I was sitting, and as you guys can see, this is a huge perfect fit. It actually looked like I was sitting on the chair. So all I just need to do is to resize this picture properly and to make it look as if I was actually sitting on that chair. And guys, if you notice in this particular video, there are some glitches there. That is because I did not use a clean background. My intention was not to use this sitting video for this content. I recorded a standing video, but it didn't fit because I was using a chair background. Okay guys, so you can see it here. This sitting video actually fits into what we want. Now, after watching all this tutorial, I believe you do not have any excuse at all complaining about you not having a cute background to shoot in. Now, I believe you're all getting to work, shooting your videos, and enjoying the power of artificial intelligence. Get ready and please wait on all my next videos to see more editing tricks and tips, and I believe you're going to learn for your business. See you guys in my next video. Bye.